Costa Rica is known for its pura vida lifestyle, which it kind of gives you out of the rat race in the United States, and you get to really slow down, enjoy life, and enjoy friendships and family. Casa Belmer, which means beautiful ocean, is definitely a house that stands alone right now on the market. As soon as you walk in the entryway, it definitely gives you a wow factor from every room. The builders of this home used a lot of natural materials, such as the sukabumi tile that they imported from Bali, the water features as you come into the main entrance. One of my favorite features is the indoor-outdoor living. When you walk outside, you have the sunken fire pit. You open the doors and the kitchen completely opens up, and it really brings the outdoor inside the house. Being literally less than a minute off the highway, you still have the privacy which you would not find in many luxury homes that are so close to the beach. I love Costa Rica just because the friendly people, the water, the surf, warm weather all year long, and it's a healthy lifestyle. It's an active lifestyle that I really enjoy. Casa Belmer is a true masterpiece, and to live in a house like this, you don't have to sacrifice anything. Everything you've ever looked for in your dream home in Costa Rica is right here.